Hi everyone, welcome back to my video with me, Miss Defi. Now, can you guess where am I? Yes, correct. I'm in Doraemon and Nobita's house in Japan. I have an experiment with Doraemon today to using Doraemon noodles. Magic flashlight. We want to know what's gonna happen when we use this flashlight. Let's we try together, yeah? Okay, let's visit together what's gonna happen with Nobita. Because Doraemon will do it to Nobita. Wow, look at this! Nobita is getting bigger! Bigger and more bigger! Wow! So right now we know the function of this flashlight to make someone or an object to be more bigger. So basically this is the illustration of our lesson today about dilatation. So, dilatation or enlargement have a definition: resize the object to make it larger or even smaller. So, to give you an idea about this concept, let's recheck the illustration. Okay, this is the illustration. So, I borrowed Doraemon's magic flashlight. I want to try to resize my small pizza here to make it more bigger. So, look at this. I want to make my pizza 3 more bigger using the Doraemon flashlight. So look at this. Wow, my pizza is getting bigger. So I will enlarge my pizza 3 times more bigger. So let the center of flashlight is O, or center of the dilatation, and let the pizza is a triangle with the vertex A, B, and C, and my big pizza A accent, B accent, and C accent. So, because before I told you I want to resize my pizza 3 more bigger, 3 more larger, so that means to find OA accent, we have to multiply 3 times OA because I resized the small pizza 3 times. And then it's also same to find OB accent, to find the length of OB accent. So we have to multiply OB times 3 because I resized my pizza 3 times. And also it will be the same with OC accent. We have to multiply 3 times OC to get OC accent. So that means OA accent is equal 3 times OA. OB accent is equal 3 times OB. And then OC accent is equal 3 times OC. Or we can find the ratio of the distance, which is OA accent out of OA is equal OB accent out of OB is equal OC accent is out of OC is equal 3. So this is we call scale factor. So scale factor have a definition: the size of an enlargement or reduction. Dilatation is not only about making an object more bigger. Sometimes it makes an object more smaller. Now we will learn together how to find the coordinate of the image under dilatation. So the first, about dilatation with the origin O, 0, 0. Okay, I have a Cartesian coordinate here with x and y axis. And if I have an origin point or center of dilatation O, 0, 0, and there is a point B, A, comma B. And now we have to connecting O and P will be the line segment OP. And let's we find all the properties of point B vertically and horizontally. So length of O to P horizontally is A units. And then length of O to P vertically is B units. And now we can sketch the right triangle of all this side. So the pink triangle with the hypotenuse is OP and with the leg A and B. And if you want to dilatation this right triangle, more bigger 3 times with K factor scale. So the leg of the big triangle will be K times more bigger than the previous leg. So K times A. And then for the other leg, we also have to multiply with K. Now and then we can sketch a big triangle after we dilatation the small triangle. So the new hypotenuse of this big triangle under dilatation is OP accent. So OP accent is equal K times OP. So we found the formula for dilatation with the origin O, 0, 0, P with the coordinate A, B if you dilatation with the origin and scale factor K. So you just need to multiply all the coordinates Ka, Kb. It's easy, right? So to give you an idea about this formula and how we use it, let's do an exercise together. And I have a question here. Point P with the coordinate 2, 3 under dilatation of a scale factor 4 with the center of dilatation 0, 0, and we have to find the image of P, or which is we have to find the P accent. I still remember the formula of dilatation with the center of dilatation 0, 0? Yep. Okay, P with the coordinate 2, 3 under dilatation with the origin point 0, 0 with the factor scale 4. So to find the P accent, we have to multiply all the coordinate x-axis and y-axis with 4 because 4 is the factor scale. So 4 times 2, 4 times 3. So the coordinate for P accent will be 8, 12. It's so easy, right? And now, let's move on to the next dilatation about dilatation with the origin O, A, B. Okay, to give you an idea, we'll sketch it on Cartesian coordinate with x-axis and y-axis. So, well, if I have a point P, which is coordinate A, B, so for the length horizontally, the length of horizontally is A units, and vertically is B units. And we want to find the image of A point, which has a coordinate x, y, under the dilatation P, A, B, with K factor scale. We can connecting P and A with the line segment. And now we have to find all the properties of point A vertically and horizontally. For horizontal will be x and for vertically will be y. So the length from the center of dilatation will be x minus A, and then vertically from point B, which is center of dilatation, will be y, B. Now we can sketch the right triangle of all the side with the hypotenuse is PA with the leg x minus a and y minus b. So this is a triangle, and because we want to resize this triangle more bigger, k times with the vector scale, so the leg of the triangle will be 3 more bigger than the small triangle. So it will be, for the horizontal one, k times x minus a, and then for the vertical one, k times y minus b. And then we can sketch a big triangle after we resize the small triangle to be more bigger using all the leg. So this is a big triangle after we resized, and we can find the length of PA accent will be k times PA. So this is the formula of the dilatation. So if we have a point A with the coordinate x, b, and with the dilatation this point A, b with the k vector scale, so we can use the formula for A accent. Well, to give you an idea about the formula, let's do an exercise. If I have a question point B 6, minus 5 under a dilatation of scale factor 2, and with the center of dilatation with the point P 4, 3, we have to find the image of B, which is B accent. I still remember about the formula? Okay, if I have point B, which have a coordinate 6, minus 5, and with a dilatation this point with the center 4, 3, and then with the scale factor 2, and we will find B accent, which have a coordinate x accent, y accent. And I still remember the formula for x accent? Yeah, correct. K times x minus a plus a. So 6 is for x, minus 5 for y, 4 for a, 3 for b. So we can do substitution. For k is equal to times 6, 4 plus 4. So 2 times 2 plus 4 is equal 8. This is only for the x accent. Now we have to find for the y accent. So y accent is equal to k times y, b plus b. And we can do substitution using a formula. It's equal minus 2 times minus 8 plus 3. So it's equal minus 13. So the coordinate of b accent will be 8, minus 13. It's easy. You can try it at home. Okay, that's all for our lesson for today. I hope you enjoy and see you on the next video. Goodbye.